Listen and practice speaking skills. Mike. Is that really you?
Sarah. Wow, it's been years. How have you been?
I've been hanging in there, the usual. And you?
Same here. Work, family, the whole shebang. How's the family?
They're good, thanks for asking. The kids are growing up so fast. You remember little Timmy? He's a teenager now.
No way. Time flies. My eldest just started college. Feels like yesterday they were in diapers.
Tell me about it. So, what brings you to this neck of the woods?
Just needed some fresh air. Work's been stressing me out lately. Thought a walk in the park might clear my head.
I hear you. Adulting can be tough. Speaking of work, how's the job treating you?
It's a roller coaster, Sarah. Ups and downs, but I can't complain. Pays the bills.
True that. Remember the dreams we had back in college? What happened to backpacking through Europe together?
Life, responsibilities happened. But hey, it's not too late, right? We could still plan that trip.
In our dreams, maybe. But seriously, let's plan something. A weekend getaway, at least.
I'm in. A break from reality sounds like just what the doctor ordered.
And speaking of doctors, have you been taking care of yourself? You look a bit worn out.
Guilty as charged. Long hours, little sleep. But don't worry, I'll catch up on some rest soon.
You better. Remember, health is wealth, my friend.
Wise words, Sarah. By the way, did you hear about Lisa? She's starting her own business.
Really? That's fantastic. What's she into?
Interior design. She's got this eye for detail, you know. Always had a knack for it.
Good for her. Tell her I said congratulations next time you see her.
Will do. And hey, let's not wait years to catch up again. How about dinner next week?
Sounds like a plan. Let's make it happen. And we can talk about those European dreams over a meal.
Deal. It's a date. Well, not a date, you know what I mean.
Yeah, I got it. Looking forward to it, Mike.
David. I almost didn't recognize you without the sweat and gym gear.
Same here, Emily. I decided to shower before our smoothie today. How's it going?
Not bad, not bad. Work's been crazy, but the gym is my sanctuary. How about you?
Tell me about it. The deadlines are never ending. But hey, I finally managed to squeeze in a workout today.
Good for you. It's all about finding that work-life gym balance. Speaking of which, have you tried the new protein smoothie here?
Not yet. I'm usually a creature of habit with my usual berry blast. What's in the new one?
It's got spinach, kale, banana, and a hint of peanut butter. Trust me, it's a game changer.
Spinach and kale in a smoothie. You're braver than I am. But I'll take your word for it.
It's surprisingly tasty. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Just the usual, catching up on sleep, maybe binging a TV series. What about you?
I'm thinking of trying out that new yoga class on Saturday. My stress levels have been through the roof.
Yoga, huh? I've been meaning to give it a shot. Maybe I'll join you.
Absolutely. It's a great way to unwind. And speaking of unwinding, have you tried mindfulness meditation?
Oh, you mean sitting still and doing nothing? I'm not sure I have the patience for it.
Trust me, it works wonders for stress. I'll send you a link to a beginner's guide. Give it a shot.
Alright, alright. If it helps with the deadlines, I'm in. Changing the subject, have you tried the new Italian place downtown?
Not yet. Is it any good?
Amazing pasta. Let's go together this Friday. My treat.
Deal. And after that, maybe we can catch a movie or something.
Sounds like a plan. A balanced mix of fitness, food, and fun. Just what the doctor ordered.
Agreed. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Now, let's enjoy these smoothies and conquer the rest of the day.
Olivia. I can't believe it's been, what, 10 years?
Time flies, doesn't it? How have you been, Alex?
Ups and downs, you know. Life's an unpredictable ride. But hey, enough about me. What about you? I heard you moved to the city.
Yeah, big city life. It's been hectic, but I love the energy. The opportunities are endless.
That's great to hear. So, spill the beans. What's the most exciting thing that happened to you recently?
Well, I finally landed my dream job in marketing. It took a while, but persistence pays off, they say.
Congratulations. That's fantastic news. I always knew you'd make it big.
Thanks, Alex. And what about you? Last I heard, you were pursuing photography.
I was, but life had other plans. I switched gears and got into tech. Now I'm coding for a startup. Never saw that coming, did you?
Not at all. But hey, life's full of surprises. Speaking of which, do you remember our old gang? We should plan a reunion.
That's a brilliant idea. I wonder what everyone's up to these days.
I've heard from Jake. He's a chef now, owns a restaurant downtown. And Emma? She's a travel blogger.
No way. I always thought she'd end up in a museum with her love for history. A travel blogger suits her, though.
People change, interests evolve. It's the beauty of life. Oh, and I ran into Mark a while back. He's a pilot.
Mark, the guy who was afraid of heights? That's ironic. I guess he conquered his fear.
Seems like it. Anyway, when should we plan the reunion? Maybe next month?
Sounds perfect. I'll reach out to the gang and see who's in. And we could meet at that cozy pub we used to hang out in.
Nostalgia overload. Count me in. It'll be like stepping back in time.
I can't wait. It'll be good to see everyone again. We'll laugh, reminisce, and make some new memories.
Agreed. Life may take us in unexpected directions, but some things, like old friendships, remain timeless.